Welcome to Quang Huy MKT, where marketing meets automation. In today's video, I will show you how to get effective Facebook posts automatically so you can grow your page, reach more people, and focus on running your business while everything else runs on autopilot. Okay, so let's get to the point. Look at the screen now. We are at the first section, account management, right? Okay, so in this section, we can choose privately some account, and we will have some action for it. Check account, yeah, like the previous video I have just mentioned, right? Okay, or you can choose all like this. Okay, let's choose 2 accounts to test. Log in. Remember, everything will be done automatically. Okay, the first one done, and then the second one. Let's wait a few seconds. Okay, done. Okay, we'll close the browser. Okay, so before we upload a post on Facebook, we should have the contents first. Okay, so let's go to the content management. Let's see. Okay, firstly, we have to add category. For example, like post the 14th of October 2025. Okay, firstly, we choose a category where you want to edit the post. Okay, press the add the post, select the category you want to, and this is type. See, and we are posting on the Facebook, right? So we choose post. The post title will be the number of 2, 3, 4, 5 based on what you like, so as to distinguish between other posts. For example, okay, example. Instead, you see the title will be one here. Okay, let's change it, or you can change edit post. Okay, so yeah, if you have a lot of posts, or count from 1 will be the best choice. Okay, so about the content, you can have your own contents. For example, I will choose okay, let me create myself. Welcome to Quang Huy MKT, right? Where marketing means automation. Follow for more, or blah 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 blah. Okay, or you can note with structure screen like this. You see. Hello, nice to meet you. Let's make friend. Okay, for example, like this. Okay, or we can add some smile random. Let's set it here. Why you have to add this random icon? Because the Facebook will force you to be a spam account, so your post cannot be uploaded. Okay, if you want to upload to a lot of groups, for example, we can choose image, video. Okay, I will choose this, for example. Okay, or you can choose one or more. Maximum numbers posting 1 image in order, random. Okay, I will choose random. Yeah, these 2 images. Okay, save. Okay, done. Okay, so we just have the needed post, right? So now let's go to the post function, the main function today. We have some choices: group post, personal post, post real profile, or post marketplace. Okay, let's go with a personal post. If you want to post to account profile, or page ID, if you have the page ID, or for example group, also you need the group ID. For example, okay, I will go back to the account management. This is my account. Well, what I will post. Okay, what I will post, I will go to here and copy the UID. Okay, get back to the post function. Okay, firstly, set up the interval between 2 actions from 20 to 40 based on you. Switch account if consecutive arrows 2 or 3. Okay, the 2 action, this will be here. Okay, will appear right here automatically. Notification. Okay, And yeah, let's go to the content configuration, available content, or get content from Facebook. Okay, I will choose the available content. General content configuration specific content for account. Okay, if you stick here, you have to set up all the one here. Okay, but if you choose the general content, it will be here. Select the content because we just have the content, right? Okay, let's choose it. Right, the post, save. Okay, done. Allow duplicate content between accounts if you need, if you want. Okay, random or in order. Yeah. Each account post one post. For example, I would choose this one and this one. Okay. You want to touch friend? Okay, touch your friends. Let's go and enter keyword. Yeah, I have 3 names. For example, Tony, Mary, and Mark. Yeah, that's done. Okay, it is. But you have to stick it, okay, or not. Then comment on post after successful post. When the post is successfully done, it's successfully uploaded, okay, the tool will automatically leave a comment under the post with a spin structure. Okay, for example, wow, it's beautiful, or like nice to meet you. SF. Then tap follow or tap the highlight. Hey, but be careful, the follow and the highlight, each account can be used up to 3 times per week. Okay, apply color background for text only content. For example, if the content include only text, remember the background will be colored, right? And you can choose it or not. And then let's go save the script. Save the script is mean it is your script for what you want to post. Okay, for example, today's 40:10, 20:45. Okay, save. Yes, and we got it. We got it. Yeah. Okay, so now choose to account and press start here, and just wait. Okay, and after all, you can see the post history here. Yeah, this is what you have just posted and exported, and you can get the post link. For example, we have to choose it. Okay, and exported. Yeah, exported. Yeah, let's go to the download, and yeah, history. Yeah, that is all the link to your previous post. Yeah, what you have just uploaded on the Facebook. Easy, right? Okay, and that is. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Quang Huy MKT for more automation tutorials every week. See you in the next video.